because this is a live podcast. So, hello and welcome, Arushi, for this lovely podcast mini series of Hackera. And first of all, we are glad to have you with us. And as being an organizer, it would be amazing to know your experience and all. But first of all, we would like to start with your introduction.
All right. Hi, Manik. Hi, Avyasha. I am equally as jolly to be here. I am Arushi Chotani, and I am a tech enthusiast, a writing enthusiast. I'm currently in high school, and I had a lot of fun, writing content for this hackathon, trying to be the organizer. I mean, you guys did so much work. I hope I could do my equal parts here, and it's been so fun trying to record podcasts with other participants and yeah, I mean, I'm looking forward to a lot of projects and seeing who wins, and I'm very excited.
Wonderful. From where you are joining and anything apart from tech, what you like, apart from writing, what you do on general basis, then I guess Adesha would carry forward after this question. Yeah.
All right, I am from Pune, Maharashtra, India, and I think I have multiple hobbies. I love mimicry, I love singing, I love reading. There's obviously like tech and writing as I mentioned earlier, and I love to research. Every day I pick up a topic that brings a little bit of curiosity in me, and I'm like, okay, let's just know about this topic. And I log on to like a website where I can find multiple like research papers, or sometimes when I'm short of time, I'm just going to search it on a ChatGPT. So I just keep doing that. That's like a little hobby that I have.
Wonderful. As you love singing and mimicry, we would love to hear some piece of singing and
Yeah.
mimicry onto the because just previously we had a whole a guest as
Yeah.
she sang a song. It was very very beautiful.
Okay, so let's just do something on the common grounds of singing and mimicry. Let me try to mimic. I mean, if that's okay, can I try to mimic the Sophia, the first theme song, in the voice which she sings? I think I can do that. I can try
Yeah,
to do
yeah,
that.
yeah.
Okay,
Sure.
okay, let's go. All right. I was a girl in the village doing alright, then I became a princess overnight, figuring how to do things right. So much to learn and see. Just a little bit of it.
That was
Wow,
great.
that
That was
that
great,
was beautiful.
Arushi.
Let's move forward to singing.
This was singing plus mimicry together.
A small
Yeah,
piece, one or two lines only.
I mean, this is something that I try to do together in a mesh. I'm not sure if there's some other song on top of my mind right now.
Okay. Cool. So we can move forward with the next question. By the way, you are very talented with the mimicry part. Yeah, Desha.
Thank you.
sure. So, taking forward from this part, since you talked about your interest and everything, what do you think is your biggest strength and your biggest weakness?
Okay, I think my biggest strength would be okay. Let me think. Just give me a minute.
That's a very
All
tough
right. I think
question.
yeah. I think my biggest strength would be like something around people skills. Talking to people, kind of understanding the psychology of different people and reading the room, stuff like that. Maybe somewhere around people skills, soft skills, something like that. And I think my weaknesses is one of them would be I'm someone who gets anxious very quickly. Yeah, that's something I have to work on.
Yeah, definitely. That felt personal though. Very similar ones.
Yeah.
Okay, so because you have been a part of our organizing team, so how has been your experience so far being a part of the team?
I think I've learned so much from everyone, especially the design and the website team. And I was just going through our websites, and I kept checking about the updates that used to keep happening on the group. They're so talented, and the designs are so amazing. I think I learned so much from our team. Plus, it teaches you, discipline. We've been working on this very hackathon for a couple of months now, and talking to different team members, knowing about them that from different parts of India. It's just such a huge learning experience, and it teaches you how to stay disciplined. I think, yeah, that's something I enjoyed and learned from here.
Definitely. So, directing a question from this exactly. So, what is
Mhm.
your biggest takeaway, like biggest learning from this hackathon, from our hack or as an event or from our organizing team? Anything?
I would say it is that when you're hosting such an event, it is such a complex event, and you have to manage so many people. You have to take into consideration a lot of activities. Not everything gets done on time. How to get things done on the spot, and now how to show responsibility and accountability of a thing. That okay, this is not done. That's okay. It's not like everything's going to be perfect, but how to manage things on spot. That's something I learned. I think that's very important management skills.
Definitely. Manik, would you like to do the honors for that one classic question that you have in store for everyone?
Yes, yes, and this is the second time that I'm interviewing Arushi. So
Yeah.
maybe the classic question is, where do you see yourself after 5 years?
All right. I think I see myself uh, getting done with a degree, probably in data science, and then working with some research firm in order to build more on AI and its infrastructure. I think I want to make an innovation in this field.
Wonderful, research-oriented side. What is your one strength and one weakness that you have?
It's done.
It's done.
Yep.
Then what is?
Yes.
Tell me one fun fact about you.
Yeah, one fun fact.
One fun fact about me. I think I mentioned quite a few in this conversation. Let me think about it. Oh, okay, yeah. I have a sweet tooth. Like I have a very big sweet tooth, so I have a whole freezer section allotted for my sweet treats, for my ice creams. I don't let it go empty. And I have a little chocolate factory in my house.
Wow,
What? Wait,
Yeah,
we will
I'll
love to
visit
meet.
your place, Arushi.
please do come.
Wonderful. So you are doing a lot of things, right? You are managing your high school and a lot of things. To be honest, it's quite complex to manage everything. Sometimes we overwhelm and sometimes we are not able to give our 100% to the thing. So what advice do you want to give to the people who are looking forward to get a lot and for the people who already have a lot in their plate? Because you have
If
been
you
there.
want to, yeah. Sorry, because what?
Because you've already been there in those
Oh,
shoes.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I think for those people who want to get there, it's not going to be very easy. I think sometimes you have to sacrifice your sanity, like I've been doing for the past few days now. It's just been difficult to manage everything together. Sometimes you'll have to cut down on your social circle, and that's okay. I mean, you don't have to do it all once, like all at once. And I think that's something you need to understand if you want to achieve a lot of stuff. But as you said, it's going to be very hard and you're going to get overwhelmed. So one thing you should keep in mind is your final goal that's going to keep you going. You know that, okay, this is something I have to do, and there's literally no option that I have. So in order to achieve that, you're going to eventually do everything that it takes to get there. And if you have a lot on your plate, know that there's always someone better than you. Never stop learning. You need to, whenever you stop learning, you're just done for, because in this technological age, the resource age, everyone has all the access to all of the free stuff, and you never know who will just surpass you in whatever field that you are in. So don't have the ego or arrogance that okay, I'm well aware and stuff. Yeah, I think you should just keep learning if you know everything. If you think you know anything, you cannot know everything.
Yeah,
Yeah,
obviously, no one can't know everything, and that's so beautiful. That would be the closing note, I guess, Adesha. We
yeah.
have wrapped up with our amazing interview with Arushi. So thank you so much, Arushi, for sharing your perspective as an organizer